What benefit will I get from being your friend?
Oh, but just a friend.
No, I don't want you to be my friend. I like friends who are beneficial to me.
So you need benefits, right?
Yeah, of course.
What benefit friendship you need it?
Oh, I don't need to tell you because I don't.
Money, houses, car.
You don't have any.
I got more, but you don't know me.
Yes. KOD.
Yes. So, but your shoes is nice.
Yeah.
Is that mock?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, SDA mock?
S what?
Oh, SDA mock, yeah.
No, this is not SDA mock.
Well, you like multicolors. That's good.
Multi what?
Colors.
Ah, right.
Yeah. What are you doing? How?
I can't put my number on this.
You can't put your number on this one?
Don't have my
Lady!
Fuck to the hat.
Lady! Huh? Gay me sighting if rechri pan na me benyina senka we de mache fufro. Akwa mitiri nye. Hey, we gaga say ya packaging kwa o. Gaga say ya. Afi we chi no dampenim na afi. Be ma fun awo no.